You guys
Hey
are
guys.
stuck inside those turkeys.
We're here at the farm. These are. That is a really neat looking pheasant. Those are chickens. Those are wild turkeys. That's a free range chicken. Literally. It is literally a free range chicken. Nope, it isn't in the camera. Now it's in the camera. Tractor. Go kart. No, golf cart, never mind. Derp.
Oh, there's a chicken up there too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Girl. That's the girl.
Peacock.
Yeah, and the boy is nice. Oh, the duck quack quack.
Well, that's like usual. The boys are always prettier.
Oh, in your world.
So yeah, guys, we're still at Parc. It doesn't look like Parc because it's a farm, but it is.
Oh, look at the kitty.
Oh,
Look here. You can touch.
oh,
Hi, Goat.
hello, goat.
How are you?
Hi, goat.
Hi, Goat.
Hi, yeah. There's goat there, and there's a kitty there.
That's a cute.
What's in here? I don't know. There's usually something, but today there isn't. Hello. Oh. Hello. You're the one making all the noise. Nice to know. Oh. Look at this big guy. Look at his horns. Wow. Yeah.
Does Daddy still have the carrot?
I have the carrot.
Goat. Hello. Hello, goat.
This says don't grab the horn, right?
Oh, look, cow. Cow. Hello, cow. Oh, there's two cows. There is two cows. Aww.
Both blubbering.
Too big for you?
Yeah, nope, I don't want it.
Yeah, they can't eat that. They want the apple.
Sorry, there was fly.
Yeah, they can't eat the carrot.
What's over here? Oh, pigs. Oh, it's so sunny. Oh, it's really stinky too. Oh, that guy's big. That guy's ginormous. He does not look happy. I'm gonna walk away now. What's over there? Oh, that's the cow pen. Oh, you silly goat. Oh, hello, cows. Hello,
They
cows.
like carrot.
Yep, you heard it here. People, cows like carrots. These cows
Do you want to
are
get
not
them a carrot?
like
or-
these cows.
Just watch your fingers with the cow. Dropped it. Pick it up again. Try again.
Old saws over there.
Oh, dropped it again.
An old plow.
I think it's still chewing it.
I'm gonna go over and see the bull. stretch my arm. Look at this cow. He doesn't look happy. Hey, cow. Oh. Cow. I think he's trying to sleep. He's very bony. Do not feed the horses. Oh, you guys are very pretty. Oh, you guys are muddy but very pretty. Look at how pretty you guys are. You guys are very pretty horses. By the way, guys, I love horses. I very much love horses, even if they're muddy. These ones are really pretty because of the hair. I don't know what kind of breed they are. All I know is that they're a horse. An old cockshut tractor that we shall go see in more depth after. Oh, there's just so much to see here. Golf carts. Hashtag golf carts. The horses are really cute. Yeah.
No petting of horses. No, wait.
No, we can't. Because then they get.
Oh, look at that. Why did you just show them the sign?
I don't know. Because it's a sign. Signs are cool.
No, they're not. They're lame.
Don't you know that? That's what's fashion. Showing people fashion.
You got a lot of mud there, don't you?
I don't know.
That was not a recipe for water. You see that? Because you can't come. They have like Fabio hair, right?
Yep. I see a pony and a donkey. 2 donkeys. Oh, and I see another pony. Oh, and another pony. The cow's snoring, really? Oh.
The cow
Sounded
was
like he was snoring.
The cow was actually like.
Whoa.
Oh. Maybe the pig wants a carrot, though.
No, I'm not feeding a pig no carrot.
Why not? Maybe the pig wants a carrot.
Because pigs are stinky. I'm going to be overlooking out this tractor. Oh, rocks. Ah, rocks. This is actually one of the nicest days of the year. Or summer so far. Parc. 550. Look at this thing. It's classic. Almost as old as my dad. Hey, pony. Oh, that's cute. Playground. Stuff. Okay, guys, I'll see you over at that pen over there in a second. A horse. It's a pony. Never mind, it's a pony. Other pony over there, showing us butt. I can't zoom in. Darn it. Darn it, Apple. Make it so that you can zoom in the camera while you're taking videos. Donkey. Horse's butts. Stuff. Oh, did you just yay? Oh, yay, yay. Yay, yay. Yay? Yeah. Yay. Hi, guys. Hello? Sorry I'm cutting the video lots. I would just have no, like, McCormick farmhouse. I would have no usage left if I didn't. This is a McCormick farmhouse club. No, cub, not club. That makes more sense. Oh, the seat cover fell off. I was gonna say, why is the cover opener than it is down there? I don't know. This is really neat. It's a model building of a church. It's kind of fallen apart, but you know, it's still neat. Chicken. Chicken. Oh. Oh. Oh, you're trying to get out, aren't you? You sneaky little chicken. Careful,
she'll bite. Don't bite.
He does.
Push it through at the top so he can't touch you.
This is another tractor. It's a Cockshot 60. They have,
Now could I go on it?
oh,
I tripped up.
my little brother just fell. Oh.
Oh my goodness, how many times are you going to wipe out this one day? Are you alright?
And then there's this one. It's a Ford. Oh, mud, 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 mud. It is a well-maintained Ford tractor. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, darn it. I went on the wrong side. This one's probably still operational. They just never bring it anywhere. Nope, duck. Hey, ducky. Beautiful view. Very beautiful view. Alright. I shall be back when I find something else interesting. Oh, well, there's the garden. And there we go. I'll be back when I find something interesting.
Oh, that's